Meal prepping is one of the most powerful habits you can build if you want to stay consistent with your diet. Many people struggle with healthy eating not because they lack knowledge, but because they lack preparation. When you're hungry and tired, convenience usually wins over discipline. That's why meal prep is such a game changer. It removes the guesswork, saves time, and helps you stick to perfect diet foods that support fat loss, muscle building, and overall health. Perfect diet foods are those that are nutrient-dense, balanced, satisfying, and easy to prepare in advance. These foods include lean proteins, whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats. When used wisely, they create meals that fuel your body without adding unnecessary calories. One of the best meal prep ideas using perfect diet foods is the classic grilled chicken, brown rice, and steamed vegetables combo. This meal is popular for a reason. It's simple, balanced, and highly effective. Start by seasoning several chicken breasts with simple spices like garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, and a small amount of salt. Grill or bake them in the oven until fully cooked. While the chicken cooks, prepare a large batch of brown rice and steam vegetables like broccoli, carrots, or green beans. Divide everything into containers so each portion contains a source of lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and fiber-rich vegetables. This combination helps stabilize blood sugar levels, keeps you full longer, and provides steady energy throughout the day. It's ideal for lunch or dinner and works well for people trying to lose weight or build lean muscle. Another excellent meal prep option is overnight oats made with rolled oats, low-fat milk, chia seeds, and fresh fruits. Overnight oats are perfect for busy mornings because they require no cooking and can be prepared in just a few minutes. Simply mix rolled oats with milk, add a spoonful of chia seeds, and top with sliced bananas, berries, or apples. Store the mixture in jars and leave them in the refrigerator overnight. By morning, the oats will absorb the liquid and soften into a creamy texture. This meal is packed with fiber, vitamins, and slow-digesting carbohydrates that help keep hunger under control. Adding protein sources like Greek yogurt or protein powder can make the meal even more filling and balanced. Egg-based meal prep recipes are also incredibly useful because eggs are affordable, nutritious, and versatile. One great example is vegetable egg muffins. To make these, whisk several eggs in a bowl and add chopped vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes. Pour the mixture into muffin tins and bake until firm. These egg muffins can be stored in the refrigerator and reheated quickly in the morning. They provide high-quality protein and essential nutrients, making them an excellent breakfast or snack option. They are especially helpful for people who want to avoid processed breakfast foods and start the day with something healthy and satisfying. For those who prefer plant-based options, quinoa and roasted vegetable bowls are a fantastic meal prep choice. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Cook a batch of quinoa according to package instructions and roast vegetables such as zucchini, sweet potatoes, and bell peppers in the oven with a small amount of olive oil. Once cooked, combine the quinoa and vegetables in meal containers. You can add chickpeas or black beans for additional protein and fiber. This meal is colorful, flavorful, and highly nutritious. It supports digestion, keeps you full longer, and provides a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Another smart meal prep idea involves lean ground turkey or lean beef combined with mixed vegetables. Ground turkey is lower in fat compared to many cuts of beef, making it a popular choice for weight loss diets. Cook the ground turkey in a pan with onions, garlic, and spices. Add vegetables such as chopped carrots, peas, and corn to create a balanced dish. Pair this mixture with whole grains like brown rice or whole wheat pasta. This meal is hearty, satisfying, and easy to customize based on taste preferences. It's also ideal for batch cooking because large quantities can be prepared quickly and stored for several days. Salads can also be meal prepped effectively when done correctly. A common mistake people make is preparing salads that become soggy after a day in the refrigerator. To prevent this, keep wet ingredients separate until you're ready to eat. Start with a base of leafy greens such as lettuce, spinach, or kale. Add toppings like grilled chicken, boiled eggs, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and shredded carrots. Store the dressing in a small container and pour it on just before eating. Adding healthy fats like avocado slices or nuts can improve satiety and enhance flavor. These meal-prepped salads are light yet filling, making them ideal for those aiming to reduce calorie intake while still meeting nutritional needs. Soup-based meal prep is another excellent strategy, especially for people who want comfort food that remains healthy. Vegetable soup with lean protein sources like chicken or beans can be prepared in large batches and stored in individual containers. Use ingredients such as tomatoes, carrots, celery, onions, and leafy greens to create a nutrient-dense base. Soups are hydrating, low in calories, and highly satisfying. They are also easy to reheat, making them perfect for busy schedules. Adding herbs and spices instead of excessive salt helps maintain flavor while supporting heart health. Healthy snack preparation is just as important as main meals. Many diet plans fail because people neglect snack planning and end up choosing high-calorie processed foods. Preparing snack boxes with sliced fruits, boiled eggs, nuts, or yogurt helps prevent this problem. Apples, bananas, oranges, and berries are excellent fruit choices because they are portable and rich in vitamins. Nuts such as almonds and peanuts provide healthy fats and protein but should be portioned carefully to avoid excess calorie intake. Yogurt, especially low-fat or Greek varieties, supports digestion and provides additional protein. Wraps and sandwiches can also be made healthier by choosing whole-grain bread or tortillas and filling them with lean proteins and vegetables. For example, a whole wheat wrap filled with grilled chicken, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and a light yogurt-based sauce makes a balanced meal. These wraps are easy to store and convenient to carry, making them ideal for school or work lunches. They offer a good balance of carbohydrates, protein, and fiber, ensuring sustained energy throughout the day. Fish-based meal prep recipes are another excellent addition to a diet-focused routine. Fish like salmon, tuna, or tilapia provide high-quality protein and beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. Baking fish with lemon, herbs, and a small amount of olive oil creates a flavorful yet healthy dish. Pair the fish with roasted vegetables and quinoa or brown rice for a complete meal. These types of meals support heart health, brain function, and muscle recovery. Smoothie packs are another creative meal prep solution that saves time while ensuring nutritional balance. Prepare individual freezer bags filled with fruits like bananas, berries, and mangoes. Add ingredients like spinach or kale for extra nutrients. When ready to consume, simply blend the frozen ingredients with milk or yogurt. Smoothies are especially useful as breakfast or post-workout meals because they are quick to prepare and easy to digest. Another practical idea is preparing baked sweet potatoes in advance. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, vitamins, and complex carbohydrates. Bake several sweet potatoes at once and store them in the refrigerator. They can be paired with grilled chicken, tuna, or beans for a quick and balanced meal. Their natural sweetness also makes them enjoyable without needing added sugars. Meal prep doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. The key is choosing perfect diet foods that are simple, nutritious, and easy to store. Planning meals ahead of time reduces stress, saves money, and increases the chances of sticking to healthy eating habits. Consistency is what drives results, and meal prep supports consistency by removing daily decision fatigue. In conclusion, meal prep ideas using perfect diet foods can transform the way you approach healthy eating. From grilled chicken and vegetable bowls to overnight oats, egg muffins, soups, and smoothie packs, there are countless ways to prepare nutritious meals in advance. Each of these meals supports energy levels, improves nutrient intake, and helps control portion sizes. When healthy meals are ready and waiting, you are less likely to rely on fast food or unhealthy snacks. Over time, these small habits create lasting changes in your health and fitness journey. Meal prep is not just about food, it's about building discipline, saving time, and making healthy choices easier every single day. And that's it for today's video. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated, it just needs preparation. When you plan your meals ahead of time using perfect diet foods, you remove excuses, save time, and make healthy choices easier every single day. Start small, stay consistent, and let your habits build your results. If you found these meal prep ideas helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more tips on nutrition, fitness, and healthy living. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and stay healthy.